am my koutou, ko archie toku ingoa. My name is Archie.
And more dinner WINTON SCHOOL, ko owen ahau. I am Owen. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rahina, the 13th of June.
Okay, let's start the week with tidy class news. Let's have a big drum roll please for rooms 1 and 12.
Nice work. Keep your classes tidy and you might be eating pizza in the last week of term.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is noho, which is te reo for sit, stay or live.
It's a norhor mudeye, which is sleep over at mudeye.
That's norhor, which is te reo for sit, stay or live.
Fuddy puka-puka news.
The House of Books, aka the library, will be open tomorrow at 12:45 for returns, browsings and issues.
Ka pai. HI VIZ VESTS. Most people are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Health and safety news. Scooters, walk them within the school grounds, especially after school. Kia ora.
Now if you miss any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Hockey news. All year 0 to 5 hockey players meet on the new basketball court at 12:45. Kia ora.
Health news. Check the library window for who's up today. I think it's room 1 and 3. Better check it out in case.
Birthday news. None today at WINTON School, but we have 3 new students and 1 new teacher.
Alex Salvador has moved to Winton from Clutha. He's with the juniors.
Maddox Whitaker his first day at WINTON School, and Johnny Cubitt, who has his 2 big sisters, Tessa in room 9 and Emma in room 5, are also in the juniors.
We have a big welcome to our room 2 teacher, Mrs. Cathcart.
That's 4 new arkonga at WINTON School. Kia ora koutou. Enjoy your time here at Te Kura o Pokatu.
That's it for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S news. Ka koutou popo. See you tomorrow.
Stay clean, stay dry and stay off the grass, WINTON School.